Do you understand what I just ordered?
I understand what you're saying, but he's
I
went
don't,
here.
ma'am, this is not up for discussion. This is an order.
This mother invaded the guardian's home and took one of her 3 children. The 2 children who stayed behind don't want their mother around and want their brother brought back. The mother is resisting the judge's orders and is threatened with going to jail. Watch now.
Mrs. Yusanovich, where are you on this?
We are adamant that, well, Mickey and Mackenzie and Colton are both right here with me. They have written declarations stating they do not want to go back with their mother. We were at a point where the last time we saw Commissioner Nelson, we were going to continue with the evidentiary hearing. However, on October 8th, Tesla came into my home and took Braden. I was not able to get on the phone. We kind of live out in the country, so I wasn't able to contact 911, which is a whole nother issue. But once the sheriff did arrive, he said that because Commissioner Nelson did not put in writing on the minutes that I had that the children should stay in my custody until I filed the evidentiary hearing, to continue it, that there was nothing they could do to uphold it. So that it basically, they couldn't go get Braden back. However, I am requesting that we continue with the evidentiary hearing. Again, Mackenzie and Colton are here. They have written declarations, and I can get those filed. I can get the notice for the evidentiary hearing filed today if you'd like. But the kids would like their brother returned back immediately. He was going to school here at Lexington Elementary, and then I got a call on Monday or Tuesday saying that she was trying to put him in Columbia Heights Elementary. So they had questions about that. I don't know if Braden went to school yesterday or not, but upheaving him from his home, and these kids have been here since last December.
Okay. Hang on, ma'am. Hang on.
Yeah.
Ms. Smith, are you there?
Yes, I am.
Oh, Mallory Smith.
Matt.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Have you been able to do any work in this case?
Your Honor, I have met, and I apologize, I have limited bandwidth right now. I have been able to meet with the children in this case and with Ms. Yozanovich. I've had conversations with Ms. Ivy as well. Father's been pretty avoidant of this matter in totality. It would be my recommendation to the court to consider Ms. Yozanovich's preference right now. The children have expressed a desire to remain in Ms. Yozanovich's care. It's been a consistent and stable home. I'm proud of Miss Ivy for pursuing and maintaining sobriety. She indicates having 6 months clean and attending meetings and participating in those things. The children unfortunately have a long history of just living in influx while in Miss Ivy's care. So their concerns are valid. They do want to remain connected to their mother, but they are just in a place right now where they do appreciate and are feeling much more stable and able to participate in schooling and extracurriculars and those types of things while in the care of Ms. Yuzanovich.
Ms. Ivy, what do you want to tell me?
Your Honor, I do have my son in school.
Where?
At Columbia Heights Elementary, and he's doing very well. I've got him potty trained because he wasn't potty trained. He is happy with me. He does want to live with me.
That's funny.
Okay. I don't want any schools changed. So whatever school he was in last week is the school he's going to be in going forward. Understood?
Then
Yes.
that would be Lexington Elementary. That, you mean the school that he was originally?
Ma'am.
Yeah.
Miss Ivy, do you understand what I'm saying?
Yes, Your Honor. He likes it at Columbia Heights.
Ma'am, do you understand what I'm saying? The child's going to be in the school he was in last week. Period. End of conversation. Do you have any question about that? Miss Ivy, do you understand me?
Yes, Your Honor.
And that happens tomorrow. You understand that?
The same school he's in now, because he's doing
He
really
goes
good.
to Lexington Elementary tomorrow. Do you understand that?
How is that when he's already going to Columbia Heights?
Do you understand what I just ordered? Yes or no?
I understand what you're saying, but he's
I
went
don't,
here.
ma'am, this is not up for discussion. This is an order. He will
I'm
be
not-
at Lexington Elementary tomorrow. Do you understand that?
They told me though that because of where he lives with me, that he couldn't go to Lexington.
Ma'am.
That's the only reason why I changed.
I'm
the
gonna
school.
say this one more time. If
I
the
do
child's
understand.
not at Lexington Elementary tomorrow, I'm issuing a warrant for your arrest. Is that clear to you?
I said I understand what you said.
Is that clear to you?
Yes.
All right, that's number one. Number two, we need to set a hearing date on this immediately. So we're going to set a hearing on this matter for next week at 11 o'clock. It will be the last case on this calendar. I want it to be in person here at the courthouse. It'll be the last case on this calendar. It should start no later than 11 o'clock.
Okay. And do you want Mackenzie and Colton to be present, or are the declarations going to be sufficient for
No,
you?
I don't want the kids present in person. I just want the adults.
Okay.
And Ms. Smith, are you available then?
Yes, Your Honor. And to confirm, this is for trial assignment or for evidentiary hearing?
This is going to be an evidentiary hearing on the original petition.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
All
And
right.
then, Your Honor, I just have one question. So is Braden going to stay in Miss Ivy's care, or is can I pick him up from school tomorrow when she takes him?
I'm not making any change on where kids are living at the moment. We'll have to make that decision next week.
Okay, no worries. Just wanted to make sure.
All right,
Thank you, sir.
that will be all.